Can we talk about why you won't try the water?
Skip2mylou, my darling.
Hi guys, it's Lou. Welcome back to another Because Instagram video where we find weird things trending on Instagram and we try them just because. Today's weird trend has been around for quite some time. I believe that it first made its appearance on True Housewives of Something Somewhere, and it's been going around on Instagram ever since. Maybe I should tell you what it is. It's black water. This is water. And it's black. Why is it black? Let me tell you. A blend of fulvic trace minerals, hydration, and electrolytes. That's very fancy. And like regular water, it is 0 calories, sugars, caffeine, flavoring, or dyes. So this stuff is truly black. Now, if you look on Instagram, there are all kinds of people drinking this water, whether it's out of the fun bottle, which at the top you can tell that it's the water that's black, not actually the bottle, which at first I thought it was the bottle. I had no idea what this stuff was. And looking at it online, a lot of people were surprised that this stuff is still for sale. I could not find the Blackwater website, but I did find it for sale on anywhere from eBay to Amazon. And here we have a pack of 12 16.9 ounce bottles for $27. This is 33.8 ounces for $3. You do the math. I don't want to. Anyway, let's look at a few reviews on this stuff. 5 stars. What can I say about this? Just look at the bottle. It's black water that is incredibly healthy for you. 4 stars. No taste, though it looks different from regular water. 4 stars. It's water that's black. People are pretty fascinated at the fact that this stuff is such a dark color because, of course, water is as clear as glass normally. This water is absolutely amazing. 5 stars. There's no taste difference of the water, which we will be finding out very soon. Anyway, lots and lots of positive reviews, and out of 146 reviews on this particular seller's site, it gets 4 stars, which I think is pretty good. Let's see what fulvic trace minerals are supposed to do. All right, here we go. Fulvic trace minerals in natural form of shilajit is what it's called. And you can buy shilajit powder if you want to add that to your water to make it black. Benefits from taking shilajit. Shit for short. Strengthen the cognitive function for... Oh no! Okay, maybe they don't speak English. Otherwise, it's a very big grammar problem. Strengthen the cognitive function for them who has mentally active or stressful job. Speed up the recovery after bone, ligament, or joint injury. Reduce the inflammation of pain, including various forms of arthritis. I need to switch sides now. Provide support after the workout for them who are actively training or has a physical job, for them who has a physical job. Improve hormone reproductions and makes you feel younger. Well, giddy up, that last one, I'll take it. All right, I have not opened this, but I'm gonna. Do I have to shake it? Doesn't appear so. It looks like coffee as I'm pouring it. It's more of a brown color. Yep. Looks like I'm having a little red wine, but I'm not. All right, and let's compare that with some regular old water. We're gonna try the black water first because I know what regular water tastes like. Okay. I'm a little scared. Tastes no different than regular water. Let me make sure. There's something about it, but I really could not put my finger on what that is. You know who I think would be a really good judge of this water?
Hi, you want to try some water? It's right here. Let's see if you like one better than the other. Are you interested? Look at you. You're all tucked in. I'll help you. Look at that body. Come on. Smell it. Oh, there you go. What do you think? Let me try one. See if you like it. Okay, she's out of bed. Let's try it again. Hi. I'm tired. Come on. Come on. Honey, you sit like a lady. All right, let's try this one. Oh, I see. I don't think your beak fits in there, but all right. Okay, so maybe Abby wasn't thirsty, but I think you can all see in that third attempt, she clearly did not want that black water, but seemed willing to have some of the regular water. Now, she's a beagle. Beagles are known for their sense of smell. In Abby's case, she is the ultimate beagle. All she ever wants to do is sniff. She will stand there and sniff a blade of grass for a half an hour if you let her, which I don't. And I think, although as a human, I couldn't tell the difference. But with the utmost respect for dogs' incredible sense of smell, I think she was able to tell what was in here. Do you guys think I'm nuts? I kind of do, but not because of that. Anyway, hopefully I can get maybe a good Instagram picture with this bottle of water. I don't know if I really want to drink black water if I don't have to. I do appreciate the fulvic trace minerals that are in here. I don't know that I need them. I think I'm pretty good with this stuff. So that's it, you guys, on this Because Instagram video featuring black water. Isn't there a song about black water? Oh, black water. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you learned something. I know that I did, and I think Abby might have as well. Are you interested?
If you did like the video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you aren't already subscribed but would like to be, please hit that button down below and you'll see me very soon with more videos. Bye, guys.